So today we're catching up with State Senator David Carlucci. So what are you working on and what's on your mind?
Well, one of the top priorities that I have till the end of session is to pass Lauren's Law, which is a bill that will dramatically increase organ donation in the state of New York. Right now, there's 10,000 men, women, and children throughout New York State that are currently waiting for a life-saving organ transplant, and unfortunately, New York lags behind almost every other state when it comes to the amount of people participating in the organ donor program. By passing Lauren's Law, we'll simply ask the question at the Department of Motor Vehicles, would you like to be an organ donor, yes or not at this time? We're not reinventing the wheel. This is something that's done in other states that are successful. So by passing this legislation, I believe we can save lives.
And as we draw close to the end of session, is there anything in national politics, state politics in your district that's not working for you, that's kind of bugging you?
Well, one of the main things right now in my local county, we have a situation where our local county executive wants to keep raising taxes. And unfortunately, I'm trying to tell him what we're doing in the state level is working. We've got to cut expenses, we've got to try to cut taxes, and make sure that we can expand our economy. That's what we have to do. We have to grow private sector jobs, and that's the way that we're going to rebuild New York State, make it a place where people want to live, and give people a quality of life that they deserve and that they can enjoy.
Thank you so much for catching up with us.
Thanks for having me.